alphabetical order. The daisy. Oh my gosh! Look at that! That's actually kind of cool.
Let's try it out. Like that?
Number 3. What could it be? Oh my gosh! It's a Santa hat! It's a little Santa hat! And the calendar number 4. And the cat Olaf. Day number 5. Oh, it's a little mouse. Day number 6. That was easy. Another mouse. Number 7. Another mouse. Day number 8. These things are easy. Another one. Wow. Day number 9. It's a little mouse. Wait. Day number 10. What could it be? Day number 11. It's like a little feather on like a ball. Day number 12. What? Okay. I think this might be like a whole cat suit. For babies, skinnier cats to do. It's a little cape. It's Velcro there, so you put it around the cat's neck. Okay. It's